We don't talk about moments, no. We don't talk about moments, but it is what here it lay. We are getting ready and there is a catch in our eye. Each of the terms reflect something key. Menon variance my. Lebesgue transform will explain. A moment function exchange. Lebesgue inverse flood my brain. We don't know enough moments, no. We don't know enough moments. I thought we had it all, excuseness said. It told me to speak and was just a spray. There are just two new things to keep in our heads. Your fate is sealed when the moments are just red. Skewness is how much to the left or the right or data is placed. And kurtosis is about the tails in the extremes of our data set.